So the best football club in the world, coached by the best football coach in the world, supported by the best football fans in the world, we'll be looking to close out an already outstanding season with our third trophy, which is the biggest one of them all, the European Champions League. It will actually be the 6-time champions of Europe, Liverpool, versus the 13-time champions of Europe, Real Madrid. Pedigree versus pedigree. And I want to say this though, win, lose or draw tomorrow, Liverpool already had a super season, and no amount of bad mind or grudgeful or envy, no amount of buzo or obia can take this brilliant season from Liverpool. 92 points in the league, FA Cup trophy, Carabao Cup trophy, playing to lift the Champions League trophy. My loyalty is paying off. I feel rewarded for my patience as a Liverpool fan. So you see all those Arsenal and Manchester United and all the other wagonists them who congregate on the Man City wagon. You will never know the joy of being a Liverpool fan. You will never know what it means to never walk alone. Walk on. Walk on.